Hello. So we are continuing with the organic chemistry. We will talk about decrease in carbon. Now, to make the video a little short, I would break it into three capsules maybe and continue this. So I select the question as usual. Suppose there is ethane which has to be converted to methane, or we can take with different functional group chloride to methanol. So in either, suppose we select this question. Now we have 6 methods. So first I will write 6 methods just to make sure that you follow them, and I will also write the chapter in which they are present or the different packing. Number one method is active hydrogen method. Let us discuss it. We selected the question C2H5 Cl. So first we react with aqueous KOH and heat also. This reaction, SN reaction, it is not possible without heating. Then you convert this to alcohol. Now this alcohol can be made. This is active hydrogen method actually. So you underline this or make a point that this active hydrogen, that is the electronegative oxygen and electropositive hydrogen, made to react with Grignard reagent with 1 carbon less. So what will it convert to? This is electropositive, this is electronegative. So methane is formed. Methane is formed. So this is 1 carbon less now. Ethoxy magnesium bromide is formed with methane. Now, what was the question? The question was methane to methanol. So methane, when oxidized in copper at 200 degree, it changes to methanol. Now, for the records, as I told you, it is a must that you must remember this. What in the previous cases also I have told, methane oxidizes to methanol, methanol oxidizes to methanol, and methanol oxidizes to OH, that is in presence of oxygen, copper at 200 degrees centigrade. Now let us do the flow chart of this question so that you can see that how is the question being followed around in terms of roadmap. So you had CH3, CH2, Cl, then made to react with aqueous KOH, then the product was made to react with active hydrogen, and then the further product is made to react with oxygen at copper 200. So going further, you do aqueous KOH. This you will study in chemical property of alkyl halide. So it is formed, it will form CH3, CH2, OH, that is alcohol is formed, and the byproduct is potassium chloride. And then You react it with methyl magnesium bromide, methyl magnesium bromide. Then this H react with this CH3 to give CH4, and the byproduct is magnesium ethoxy bromide. Magnesium ethoxy bromide. And this methane is under controlled oxidation, that is oxygen at copper 200 degree would give methane all. This is the question which was there. So you can see that either in terms of roadmap or in terms of chemical equation, it is there on the board. This is method number 1, right? Method number 2 will be and further will be continued in the next slide. All right. Thank you.